You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French politician. If you want to learn more confusing names and vocabulary from France, including from French politics, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons for you coming up at the end of the video. Let's get down to it. In France, the French pronunciation is pronounced as Laurence Tubiana. Tubiana. In English, the English pronunciation would be as Laurence Tubiana. Laurence Tubiana. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.